Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Malarka Williams, CEO of the Hive Careers, has a vision to connect 20,000 individuals across 21 regional islands with career development and job opportunities in 2025. He states this initiative is about more than job placement. It's about unlocking potential, increasing income opportunities, and giving Caribbean talent the exposure and tools they need to succeed on the world stage, Williams said to Our Today. With earning potential ranging from US $500 per month to upwards of US $25,000 to US $30,000 per month, particularly in high-level finance or executive positions, this initiative has already seen promising traction in markets like Trinidad, which has emerged as a strong hub for high-quality talent. The Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, JSSE, in collaboration with JetCon, BAIC, General Accident, and FESCO, is holding a Win Big, Drive Bold car raffle. This is to raise sustainable funding for projects listed on the Social Stock Exchange. The initiative aims to support projects with social impact, aligning with the JSSE's mission to promote sustainable growth in the social sector. Here to tell us more is Nora Blake, Manager, Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. Listed companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have stepped up in compassion in action with the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. We're here with Nora Blake, General Manager of the Social Stock Exchange, to learn about what listed companies stepped up and why they stepped up. Nora, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having us. It's an honor and a privilege, and we do need the exposure to talk about this, because this is really an exciting project.
So tell me,
us.
What companies are involved?
Okay, so we have two listed companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange that are partnering with us on this.
Yes.
We have JetCon.
Yes.
They sell motor vehicles.
Yes.
We had this dream of raffling a car.
Okay.
And we called up Mr. Andrew Jackson,
yes,
the owner of JetCon.
Yes.
And told him, look, do you know about the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange? He says, not really. Tell me about it. So we did.
Yes.
And once we explained our mission, what we're about, and made the request, he said, I'll do all I can to help. And so we have a 2026 Beijing X55, which is an SUV model vehicle that we're raffling until November the 29th.
Yes.
We launched on May the 30th. And so that's like 6 good months for people to buy a ticket for just $2,500.
Wow.
To have a chance at winning this brand new 2026 premium. It's in the Beijing X55 series, they have 3. This is the premium model.
Wow.
And it's just $2,500. So I say to people, come on board with the Social Stock Exchange, JetCon, and Jamaica General Accident Insurance.
Yes.
They, another listed company on the stock exchange, they have offered 3 years comprehensive insurance to cover the driver and the vehicle.
Yeah.
And
what about gas?
It's just gas by FESCO for a whole year.
Wow.
So you just, on December 11, we have the draw in Emancipation Park. That lucky person will just get the key and they can turn and drive with gas and with comprehensive insurance for 3 years. And it's just $2,500 we're asking as a donation, because that's really what it is. It's not the cost of the vehicle.
Right.
The vehicle is valued at about $6 million.
Wow.
So tickets are $2,500. And I would recommend, because I can't purchase as a staff, that, every month, budget from salary, a ticket to give yourself a fighting chance.
All right. So you're saying
as many tickets as you can buy, because even if you were to buy 10 tickets, that's like $25,000.
That's right.
For a car, a new $6 million SUV.
Yes.
So we are very happy with the initiative. And we're believing that we'll have good success, because it's for a good cause. Compassion in action speaks to the fact that we're seeking to mobilize funding for our social projects.
All right. So Denise Williams here with Nora Blake with the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. You have a chance to get a brand new $6 million vehicle, 3 years, comprehensive insurance, 1 year, gas for $2,500 to a worthy cause. For the trading period ending May 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 12,313,110 units traded, representing 33.38% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,999,666 units traded, representing 8.13% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sterling Investments Limited with 2,476,339 units traded, representing 6.71% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 30, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.24 million purchased in US $51.44 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.49 per dollar, selling the US at $160.12 and buying the US at $158.62. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.45 per transaction, with selling at $117.11 and buying at $114.70. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.41 in profits, with selling at $216.24 and buying at $209.76. For our credit report tip of the day, here's the truth. Banks, lenders don't fund ideas. They fund people who are organized, intentional, and credit worthy. From software and social media tools to e-commerce platforms and the equipment, the tools you need to succeed in a digital business world cost money. But when your credit profile shows strength, you can get the funding to cover startup costs without draining your savings. If you're building something from nothing, starting from financial recovery to financial resilience, if you're a professional woman over the age of 45 building with your spouse, it's not too late. If you experience loss, divorce, caregiving burnout, or financial missteps, the road back can feel daunting. But here's the truth. Resilience starts with knowing yourself financially and then working with, not against, your partner's money mindset. Whether you're married, partnered, or building again after love and loss, your journey towards wealth requires 2 key shifts. Understanding your money scripts, which are your subconscious beliefs about money, and then identifying your money type, which is your behavior patterns with money. When you know this with yourself and your spouse, together these shape how you approach income, spending, savings, and risk. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.